just having some fun.
You think this is a party?
Please, you can make them stop. You can't let them do this.
You hit his face!
No need to torture the poor girl now.
Oh, he's nothing. He's just the cook.
Shut your mouth, bitch hog.
What? Oh, that's right. You don't like it. He just the cook. You just the cook.
Shut your mouth. You don't understand nothing.
I understand you ain't nothing. Me and Leatherface do all the work. You just the cook.
You see, I can't take no joy in killing. But I mean, there's just some things you have to do. Don't mean you have to like it.
Oh, please, please, I'll do anything.
Ain't no need to torture the poor girl.
Now shut up. And remember, you just the damn cook. Me and him will handle this.
I ain't gonna have none of this. You take care of it then.
Well, we ain't in no hurry, and you ain't going no place.
Did you hear me?
I heard you, but it don't mean much.
Get on with it. I'm gonna open up a window.
I've been thinking we let Grandpa have this one. You did say he's the best, right?
Well, he is the best.
You hear this, Grandpa? We're gonna let you take a whack at this one.
Do I look sexy?
Does he? Said no.
Alright, well, let me just recover my self-esteem for a second. Just get over that for a bit.